Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to enhance the performance and reliability of AWS Site-to-Site VPN using AWS Global Accelerator. For organizations that rely on site-to-site VPNs to connect their corporate data centers to AWS VPCs, reducing latency, improving throughput, and maintaining a consistent network experience are key challenges. AWS Global Accelerator is a game changer that addresses these concerns by routing your VPN traffic over AWS's private, high performance global network instead of the public internet. We'll walk through how this setup works, the key steps involved in enabling Global Accelerator for site to site VPN, and some important considerations to keep in mind. Let's get started. Before we dive into the Global Accelerator, let's recap how traditional site-to-site VPN works. Typically, for redundancy and fault tolerance, you establish dual VPN tunnels between your corporate data center and AWS VPC. These tunnels route traffic over the public internet, while the encryption ensures data security. There are inherent issues like network congestion, latency, and jitter. This setup works, but the performance and reliability can vary depending on how much traffic is on the public internet at any given time. This is where Global Accelerator comes in to help optimize the VPN traffic flow. AWS Global Accelerator takes your site-to-site VPN to the next level by routing your VPN traffic through the nearest AWS edge location. Once the traffic reaches this edge, it's transferred across AWS's private backbone network, bypassing the unpredictable public internet. This not only reduces network latency but also increases throughput and delivers a more consistent experience. In this setup, AWS Transit Gateway is a crucial component. The VPN traffic is routed from your data center to the nearest AWS edge location, where AWS Global Accelerator ensures it uses AWS's low latency, high availability network to reach its destination. This approach reduces the distance your traffic has to travel over the public internet, minimizing hops and improves overall performance. Now let's walk through how you can enable Global Accelerator for your site-to-site VPN connection. Whether you are setting up a new VPN or enhancing an existing one, the process involves several important steps. First, you have to enable acceleration during VPN creation. When you create a new VPN connection, you will have the option to enable Global Accelerator. If you have an existing VPN, you will need to create a new connection with acceleration enabled, as this feature cannot be toggled on for already established connections. Once acceleration is enabled, the VPN tunnel endpoint will automatically update to point to the Global Accelerator's edge locations. This is essential to route your traffic through AWS's global network rather than the public internet. After enabling Global Accelerator, you will need to update your customer gateway configuration. This is critical as the VPN tunnel endpoint IP addresses will change, and your customer gateway appliance will need to reflect these new settings. You must ensure network address translation traversal is enabled on both ends of your VPN connection. NAT traversal is necessary to keep the VPN tunnels up and running consistently across the accelerated network. Lastly, ensure that Internet Key Exchange rekeying is configured properly on your customer gateway. This ensures that the VPN connection remains secure and stable, especially over accelerated tunnels. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of AWS Global Accelerator's low latency routing and provide your site-to-site VPN with improved performance and reliability. So, why does Global Accelerator matters for your VPN traffic? Let's break it down. By routing traffic through the nearest AWS edge location, Global Accelerator shortens the distance that data must travel over the public internet. This results in lower latency and faster data transfer between your corporate data center and AWS. Global Accelerator leverages AWS's private backbone network, which is optimized for high throughput. This ensures that large volumes of VPN traffic can be transmitted reliably without facing congestion, which often happens on the public internet. The public internet can be unpredictable with fluctuating traffic patterns, resulting in varying performance. By using AWS's dedicated network, you gain more consistent network performance, reducing packet loss, jitter, and congestion. Although your VPN traffic is already encrypted, Global Accelerator adds another layer of security by routing traffic through AWS's private network instead of exposing it to the public internet. While AWS Global Accelerator offers significant performance improvements, there are a few limitations and architectural considerations you should be aware of. The Global Accelerator for VPN feature is only available when using AWS Transit Gateway. If your current architecture relies on virtual private gateways, you will need to transition to Transit Gateway to take advantage of acceleration. If your architecture uses AWS Direct Connect public virtual interfaces, note that accelerated VPN connections won't work with these. You will need to plan your hybrid cloud architecture accordingly if you rely on Direct Connect for public connectivity. For existing VPNs, you can't simply enable acceleration on your current connection. You will need to create a new VPN connection with acceleration enabled and update your customer gateway configuration to use the new connection. AWS Global Accelerator brings tremendous value to your site-to-site VPN by improving performance, reducing latency, and providing a more consistent and reliable network experience. By leveraging AWS's global network, your VPN traffic is no longer subject to the unpredictable nature of the public internet, and you gain improved throughput and lower latency. If you are looking to enhance your cloud network performance, AWS Global Accelerator is a powerful tool to integrate into your architecture. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more cloud and network architecture deep dives. I'll see you in the next video.